N'hésitez pas à liker la vidéo si elle vous plaît et si vous êtes nouveau sur la chaîne, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et d'activer la notification pour ne rater aucune de nos prochaines vidéos.
Meurtre de George Floyd, la vidéo de ses derniers moments enfin rendue publique. Un juge de Minneapolis a ordonné le 3 août dernier que les images et vidéos prises le jour de l'arrestation de George Floyd par les caméras des deux agents qui l'ont menotté soient rendues publiques. La vidéo, d'une durée d'environ 1 heure, provient des caméras corporelles des anciens officiers Thomas Lane et J. Alexander Kueng. Les deux hommes ont été les premiers à arriver sur les lieux à la suite d'une plainte selon laquelle Floyd avait tenté d'utiliser un faux billet de $20 pour acheter des cigarettes chez Cup Foods, un magasin de Minneapolis. La séquence commence au magasin où Floyd aurait tenté d'acheter des cigarettes avec un faux billet de $20. Après environ 36 secondes, Floyd, 46 ans, est sommé de sortir de sa voiture alors que les policiers Thomas Lane et Alexander Kueng s'approchent de lui. Il lui demande de mettre les mains sur la tête, et l'officier Thomas Lane pointe déjà son arme sur lui. George Floyd se met alors à paniquer en les prévenant qu'on lui a déjà tiré dessus par le passé, et se met à pleurer au volant de sa voiture. Les policiers le font sortir de force de son véhicule et lui passent les menottes. Ils ne lui disent pas le motif de son arrestation. Dans la suite de la vidéo, ils tentent de le faire rentrer de force dans le véhicule de police, et George Floyd se débat. Les policiers lui annoncent alors enfin qu'il est arrêté pour faux, car ils le suspectent d'avoir utilisé un faux billet pour s'acheter des cigarettes. C'est à ce moment qu'il commence à leur crier qu'il ne peut pas respirer, qu'il a peur, et qu'il est claustrophobe. Ils réussissent à le sortir du véhicule et deux autres policiers, Tutao et Derek Chauvin, arrivent en renfort. George Floyd tombe au sol et Derek Chauvin se place alors au-dessus de lui, le genou appuyé sur son cou. Pendant près de 9 minutes, l'Afro-Américain se plaint qu'il n'arrive pas à respirer, mais ses plaintes sont ignorées par Derek Chauvin. Il est décédé quelques minutes plus tard. Les vidéos ont été déposées au tribunal le mois dernier par l'avocat de Lane comme preuve à l'appui d'une demande de rejet des charges contre son client, rapporte CNN. Seules les transcriptions de la cassette ont été publiées, mais un juge a ensuite autorisé les journalistes à visionner les images sur rendez-vous. Les médias ont ensuite demandé la diffusion des vidéos. Le meurtre de Floyd le 25 mai a déclenché des protestations dans tous les États-Unis. Sa mort n'est qu'un exemple du racisme systémique qui sévit actuellement en Amérique, où les Noirs se font tuer lors de leur interpellation.
You have ID?
No, I don't. My name's Shawan Hill. No. Sir.
Okay.
I just came over to get my phone to see I don't have a purse or nothing. And my daughter is on her way to get me.
What's the deal?
I don't know.
Sir.
That's my ex. I don't know.
Why is he getting all squirrely and not showing his hands and just being all weird like that?
Because he's been shot before. He don't
Well, I
wanna-
get that, but still, when officers say get out of the car, is he drunk? Is he on something?
Oh, he got a thing going on. I'm telling you
What
about
does
the
that mean?
police. We have problems all the time when they come, especially when that man stood that gun like that. It's been one.
What's your first name?
He's pretty good. George Floyd.
What is it?
He's a good guy. George Floyd, she said. Oh! Ouchie,
What are you on something right now?
No, nothing. You acting
Yeah.
erratic. Man,
Let's go.
Yeah, man.
Let's go.
Yeah, man. Yes. Yes, I was just moving earlier.
Let's go.
All right, let me come on down now. It's feeling better now.
Keep walking.
Okay, stop. Do me one favor, man.
No, when we get to the car, let's get to the car, man. Come on.
Dang, man. Oh, man. God, don't leave me, man. Please, man, leave me, man.
Here.
I
I want to watch that car, see yourself. Get him, miss.
Stop falling down. Stay on your feet and face the car door.
You get a search on him?
Please, get out the door, man. I just want to talk to you,
No.
man. Please, let me talk to you,
Man,
please.
you ain't listening to nothing
I
we're
know.
saying, so we're not gonna listen to nothing you're saying.
Can you watch that car? Just make sure no one goes in it.
I hear you, but you are gonna face the door right now.
Listen up. Stop.
I'll do anything. That's anything y'all tell me to do, man. I'm not a resistor, man. I'm not. You can ask him. He know me here, though.
Check that side.
God, man, I'm gonna do nothing like that, y'all. Why is it going on like this? Look at my wrist, Mr. Officer. I'm not that kind of guy.
Other side.
Mr. Officer, I'm not that kind of guy.
Stop.
You please? I'm not that kind of guy, Mr. Officer. Please.
Face away.
Please, man. Don't leave me by myself, man. Please. I'm just claustrophobic. That's it.
Well, you're still going in the car.
Anything sharp on you?
I won't do nothing to hurt y'all, Mr. Officer. No, sir. Why? Nothing. I don't have nothing. Why y'all doing me like that, Mr. Officer? Please crack it for me and stuff, man. I am claustrophobic for real, Mr. Officer.
You got him?
Could you please crack it for me? Please.
Yes, I'll
Remember my
crack
name.
it.
Stay
I
with me,
will.
man.
I will.
Please stay with me, man. Thank you. God, man. I didn't know I was doing that, man. Please, man. I just want my hand, please. I don't want to do none of y'all, man. Nothing.
You got it?
Inside in your pocket real quick on your shirt.
I'm listening. And I understand that people do stuff. And
Alright, he's good. Those guns, whatever. There's nothing wrong with it.
Okay.
Grab a seat.
Okay.
having trouble walking.
I'll roll the windows down, okay?
Please, man. Please don't do
Take a seat.
I'm going in, Mr. Officer. I'm going in.
No, you're not.
I gotta go in.
Take a seat.
Grab a seat, man.
Mind y'all don't believe me, Mr. Officer.
Take a seat.
I'm not that kind of guy. I'm not that kind of guy, man.
Take a seat.
Y'all, I'm gonna die here.
Take a
I'm gonna
seat.
die, man.
You need to take a seat right now.
And I just had COVID, man. I don't want to go back to that.
Okay, I'll roll the windows
No.
down. Hey, listen.
Dang, man.
Listen.
I'm not that kind of guy.
I'll roll the windows down and
Please,
you pull your
man.
legs in, alright? I'll
Y'all
put the air on.
stop. Look at that. Look at that.
Not even listening.
Look at it. Look at it.
We can fix it,
Look.
but not while you're standing out
Okay, man. God, y'all do me bad, man. Man, I don't want to try to win. I don't want to try to win. I don't want to win. I'm claustrophobic. I'm claustrophobic. I got anxiety. I don't want to do nothing to them.
I'll roll the window down.
Man, I'm scared. When I start breathing, it's gonna go off on me, man.
Pull your legs in.
Okay. Let me count to three. And I'm going in. Please. I'm not trying to win. I get on the ground, anything. I can't stand this, man. He know it.
You get in this car, we can talk.
I'm claustrophobic.
I'm hearing you, but you're not working with me.
God, I'm claustrophobic, man.
Flash your butt over here, I'm gonna pull you in.
Get in the car.
In the front, please.
No, you're not getting in the
I'm
car.
claustrophobic, so
Get in the car.
Okay, man, okay. I'm not a bad guy, man.
Get in the car.
I'm not a bad guy. Man. Please, please.
Take a seat.
Please, man. Please. No.
Take a seat.
I can't choke. I can't breathe, officer. Please.
Fine.
My wrist, man. Please. I can't take this, man. I can't. I'm gonna lay on the ground.
Get in the squad.
I'm gonna lay on the ground. I'm going down.
In the squad.
I'm going down. I'm not breathing. I know I can't breathe.
Talk to the front. Get some more oxygen.
Hey, like, comment, subscribe right here to Amazing Animals. What do you think about this triggerfish?